guys, welcome back to our channel. So I'm here with Shirley.
Hey.
And with Ali.
Hi.
Hi. So we're gonna go get lunch right now. It's the baby shower weekend. Well, the baby shower drive-by weekend.
Yep.
There's no baby shower. So we're gonna take you guys along to set up everything, and we're gonna go get lunch now. Shirley's going to McDonald's to try the new sandwich.
Yes.
You were
Can't
saying?
wait.
She's pretty hungry right now.
Yes, I can't wait.
And I'm gonna go to Taco Bell because I'm in the mood to eat like a crunch wrap with some tacos. I'm like starving. So yeah, we'll take you guys along. We're gonna go pick up Mariam, go get balloons, do some, balloon and baby shower stuff. So see you guys in a little bit. McDonald's. Shirley's trying the sandwich. I want to see her reaction. Is it good? Is it good?
It's so good. It's really
Better than Chick-fil-A? It smells good. I like the smell of the mayo.
Try? It's so good.
I'll try it now. But yeah, we're gonna go to Taco Bell now. Show you guys my food when I get there. And yeah. We got Taco Bell. I ended up getting a crunch wrap and 2 crunchy tacos. And Shirley ended up getting fries. Hi. Guys, it was a dilemma. The woman said that they didn't serve certain things, but they were on the menu. I was so mad, but whatever. It is what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat. I'm starving. It's 1 and I haven't eaten anything. So we're back home. We picked up Mariam and we're gonna be doing some things for the baby shower. So we put Ale down for a nap. Shirley's here looking like a freaking sloth or whatever you want to call it. Mariam's here.
Hey.
They're gonna wipe their fingers to work on this because so the point is to get the water bottles and put these like stickers on them, so when people drive by, we're gonna give them like a little water bottle and set up like this box with like some things to eat inside. And yeah, I'll show you guys the rest in a little. I forgot to record us shopping, but we're putting gas right now. The whole crew is here, even Mr. Alejandro. So if you're around and put gas for you, sister, he's not the one. We're back home. We ate, organized some groceries, and now we're gonna set up the balloon arc. So we gotta do a balloon arc before tomorrow. We have everything in the garage. So we're gonna start blowing up balloons right now and all the shenanigans.
Yay.
So we finished inflating everything and did the balloon arc. We presented it to the board. It looks nice. So we're gonna finish tomorrow the final touches, but everything came out really good. We have the sign that goes in the middle.
Oh baby.
We have some things done, but it's 1 in the morning and we gotta wake up early tomorrow, so we'll finish tomorrow. Anyways, we can't really finish the details till tomorrow. So this is the backdrop, and we got the seat that's extra to decorate tomorrow. We have some little tables, nothing crazy because it's just a drive-by, but yeah, that's what we're working with. So I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning. I'm gonna put the camera to charge so you guys could be with us the whole day. Been having contractions on and off and some pains and stuff, but working with it. So shower day, super stressful. So many things went down to get everything right the way it is. So we're gonna show you guys like montage and stuff like that. People are like driving by. There's only been like 1 or 2 people pass by for now, so Yeah, we're not expecting a lot of people, so yeah, I'll show you guys now everything how it came out. This is what I'm wearing, a simple dress, baby girl's popping, and yeah, so I'll see you guys now outside. So it is way later. The whole like baby shower thing passed. Now we're eating.
Kelly.
Girls. We got Ale. Ale, say hi. Serving everywhere. Kids around Ale's age.
You're opening gifts. Marian, graba con esto, ¿no?
Yo grabé lo de...
Ese chico.
¿Y viste que lindo está?
Esa florecita, me encantó.
Ale, Alejandra.
¿Y esta es la sabanita? No, es esta. No.
Di hello.
No, esta es de eso. Sí, esa es la sábana.
Esta es la sábana y este es el cesto.
Este es el centro, esta es la sabanita.
Sí,
Yo creo.
You know what it is. We are finished with the baby shower. Now we're just chilling, you know, watching some fights. UFC fights. Chilling. Baby Alejandra here, chilling. Mira, coge, habla ahí.
Mira.
Mira, di hello. So guys, I'm gonna hand it off to Shanae. Yeah, Marian, record a little
¿Qué
bit.
no está eso? Buenísimo está.
Qué lindo está, bello. Wow. Cosita también.
Esa es la sabanita.
Sí, para la cuna. Gracias. Di hi. Dile hi, Ale. Qué lindo esto. Mira qué fino. Ay, sí. Qué bonito. Sí. Mira, de mariposita también. Ay, qué lindo.
Esto de abuelita.
La abuelita.
Abuelita Miriam y abuelito Fania.
Yo sé cuál es esa. Qué lindo. Hi. Di hi. Mira qué lindo. Wow. Yo sabía que iba a ser tú. Mira que lo regaló Alejandro.
Pero la de Alejandra era más grande.
Sí, era un muñeco.
Era
Pero
muy
este es el pastel.
del pastel.
Ese es bueno. Y este para la nariz. Que eso es buenísimo. Gracias. Este pomo. Yo creo que este es de la muchacha que vino. Sí, yo creo que sí.
Sí, esa es la muchacha que vino, sí.
Trae 2 tetes y 5 pomos. Y son de cristal los pomos.
¿De cristal?
Sí, tienen glass.
Oh my God.
Mira para qué.
Yo pensé comprar un gorro y
Con
después,
lazo.
sí, después dije, no le voy a comprar gorro porque después se le pone gorro.
Sí. Y de 0 a 6 meses. Qué bueno. Y este es el jueguito de este.
Mira,
Mira qué lindo con el conejito. Qué
¿de
lindo.
cuántas?
De 3 a 6.
Ah, qué bueno, qué bueno. ¿De 3 a 6 igual?
A ver, de 3 a 6.
Qué bueno.
Esa es la gente que vinieron de lejos, ¿no?
Sí. So, baby shower weekend, well, baby shower drive-by weekend is over. That is it. This was the most we could do with the whole virus. But I'll show you guys everything that I got for the baby shower. like a baby shower haul like I did with Alejandra. I'm gonna be doing it for this baby. There is, if you noticed, cake was blurred out and there's some clips that had to be cut because her name was being said. And this time I think we're gonna introduce her with her name, so you guys will be meeting her through the videos. And that's when we're gonna say her name. That's what we have planned for now. So I'm gonna show you guys the room with all her gifts. We have to organize her room. I'm gonna start organizing this week because she's gonna be here any minute now. I am 36 weeks on Sunday, so yeah, I'm almost due, guys. I'm very scared my water breaks. I don't have my hospital bag ready. Her room is not ready, so I'll be recording everything this week. There's a lot going on about like her room and her stuff. I have to order a few things that I didn't get from the baby shower, so I'm gonna finish buying all that. And yeah, so this is her room. If you guys can't tell, there's boxes everywhere because like this is like baby shower stuff over there. Then this is stuff that we have to go, like this Alejandra's bed because we're switching her crib for the baby, and then the bathtub's over there. A bunch of gifts that got sent to the house right here. And then her whole closet is filled with like clothes that they have given her and stuff that I've been saving for her. More stuff. Like this room is a mess, especially with the move. We kind of like put everything that has to do with the baby here, and then everything that didn't fit is in the garage of her. She has a bunch of stuff. So yeah, I'll be showing you guys how we organize this room, how we're gonna decorate her nursery. All of that's gonna be happening in the next few weeks, so of course we're gonna be vlogging. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and yeah, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.